Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have for you all March month Caribbean Krate. Now March month's Caribbean Krate, I can tell you it's very heavy. Wow, it's so heavy. In this month's Caribbean Krate, the theme is Carnival. So I know a lot of you miss going back home. You usually travel to go get all of your goodies and stock up, and what Caribbean Krate is doing is bringing all of these items at a very reasonable price to you. So let's just jump straight into this crate. Let's see what they have in store for us. So look what I see in the crate. A Caribbean flavors keychain. Thank you guys for putting this little keepsake for us in here. I like that. So it's packed with a nice yellow tissue paper at the top to hide all of the goodies that they have in store for us. So it's going to be 31 items in this box. So let's start. The first item we have is a pack of Lion brand instant pylori mix. So for those of you all who love pylori but hate the hassle of having to make it from scratch, this is going to be perfect for you. The next item we have is Caribbean Flavors hot and spicy jerk seasoning. You guys know I use this when I do jerk seasoning. It makes life easier. And to go along with that, what I like to do is use their Caribbean Flavors barbecue sauce. Their jerk barbecue sauce. It is a perfect combination when you use their jerk seasoning. You season and then you baste this. When it's almost done, goes perfectly. Next we have an amazing bottle of the Sizzler hot pepper sauce, which is very much like a homemade pepper sauce. So this is really amazing. And this is one pepper sauce I always have in my pantry, so I can't wait for you all to try it. Next we have a bottle of tamarind amchar. So you guys know the thick spicy tamarind, like a paste. This is what it is, tamarind amchar, one of my favorites. And how I eat this is I just take a spoon and go into the jar and eat it just as is, because it's that good. And if you wanted to, you can take this and add water to it and make it into a dipping sauce. And you add your green seasonings to add extra dimension and flavor. But this tamarind amchar is so good. Next, from the Lavender Cakery, we have homemade guava jelly. So this is going to be really amazing on some toast. The next item is a bottle of Caribbean Flavors mixed essence. So I love their mixed essence, and you can't go wrong with a bottle of good essence. In your punches, in your cakes, all your desserts, always add your essence. Next we have a package of macaroni. Trini macaroni. We can't live without it. And to go along with the jerk barbecue sauce, we have a packet of Caribbean Flavors tomato ketchup. If you guys have been following me, you'll know this is the only ketchup I use. This is the only ketchup that is in my pantry. We love this. I buy this by the case. Sometimes for Christmas I bought 2 cases of it. That's to tell you how much I love their ketchup. Next we have a packet of their Rajapuri Amchar Masala. This new line from Caribbean Flavors called Rajapuri. Amazing. You guys would see me cooking with it. We have a packet of Caribbean Flavors coconut milk powder. This is really amazing. If you live where you can't find dry coconut, this is the perfect coconut milk powder to have in your pantry. It lasts a very long time. It's great in pilau, callaloo, you name it, it's perfect. Next we have, this is a really good size pack. This is 230 grams or 8 ounces of the Rajapuri curry powder. This is what I used to make the curry shrimp recently on my channel. So you guys have to get this. Well, get the box. And at the back of this, I also have my curried soya chunks recipe right here at the back. So you're getting one of my recipes along with this. And the Amchar Masala, guys, also comes with my mango tilkari recipe at the back. Next we have the same size 8-ounce packet of 9 spice curry powder, and at the back of this one you'll find my 9 spice curry duck recipe. So you guys are getting recipe cards and recipes on the back of the package of the curries and the anchar masala. Are you guys seeing the value for your money you're getting with this crate? Each monthly crate comes packed with so many items. I don't know if you get your value for your money anywhere else but with this crate. Next we have a pack of 7 spice powder. So 5 spice powder, this is going to be their 7 spice powder, which I will definitely be doing a recipe using this so you all can see how to use it. We have next Dhalpuri grounded roasted jeera, which we use a lot of when we curry. And at the back of this pack you will get my jeera chicken recipe. So you all have to try that. My jeera chicken is actually my mother-in-law's recipe, which I love. Next we have cook-up seasoning. I love to use their cook-up seasoning when I make rice dishes, especially pilau. It's really, really amazing. The next item is their chow mein seasoning. Perfect for when you make lo mein. Really amazing stuff. Okay, 2 more items and then we'll get to the good stuff. Actually 3 more and then we'll get to some really, really good stuff. So here we have some whole cloves. I always like having whole cloves on hand when you make chai tea, or you're making your ham, or if you're doing smoked chicken. It's really great. You can even put cloves in curry. Imagine that. In Africa, when they cook with curry, they put cloves. Here we have some Cajun seasoning. Cajun seasoning could be used in burgers. It's a really great all-purpose Cajun seasoning blend. And one of my all-time favorites, the garlic and herb seasoning. You guys have seen me using this in a lot of my recipes and I highly recommend it. And now for the best part of the box. We have sea moss to make sea moss punch. A yummy, delicious sea moss punch. When you make your sea moss punch, you're going to put some mixed essence in it. It's going to be so good. I do have a recipe on my channel. Anything that you guys need a recipe for, comment down below on this video and I will send you the link. So next, Bigfoot. Yum. We have Tara's Snacks, Taste of Trinidad and Tobago, plantain chips. Next we have a pack of red mango. So this is like the sour prunes but the mango version. When was the last time you guys had this? Really, really amazing. One of my favorites, also from Tara's Snacks again, is Chilbo. I'm sure you guys haven't had Chilbo in a long time. And if you don't know what Chilbo is, it's a dal powder that they season and then they press it through something that gets it to form these little stick-like. It looks like little sticks. It's flavored. It has nuts and chana and stuff in here. And it's slightly peppery, but it's oh so delicious. If you've never had this, you have to try this. The other item is a packet of Redskin roasted peanuts. When was the last time you had some really good homemade roasted peanuts? Next we have M&M products, tamarind balls. I'm sure you guys are drooling right now with all of these snacks that I'm calling out. Next we have a pack of Diana Jub Jub. Do you guys remember Diana Jub Jub? I love a good Jub Jub, so this is going to come in so handy. Next we have Tulum. When was the last time you guys had Tulum? And this one is from M&M products also. Next we have a bonus item which is not listed in the box, but that's for fudge. So they put in 2 pieces of fudge complimentary to you guys. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed the unboxing of this month's Caribbean Crate, the Carnival Caribbean Crate. All of these amazing items that we love from back home, and you guys cannot travel to Trinidad. You guys have to pick up this crate before it's sold out. Stop what you're doing. click that link down in the description box and go to Amazon and order yours today. You can even send it for someone as a gift or buy it for a friend. I'm sure they're going to appreciate it. So thank you guys so much for joining me today for March's Carnival box from Caribbean Krate. I'll see you guys for the next box. Bye.